Hello and welcome. Today I have a very delicious Feldenkrais movement for you for the upper body. This will help you with improving posture, open up the chest, realigning the shoulders, the neck, but also will help you with things like repetitive strain injury. And releasing tension and stiffness from the shoulders, the neck and the back. Is an excellent overall exercise for the upper body, and it's very delicious as well. It's one of those feel-good exercises, one of my favorites. So you need a table because we're going to lean on it, have something soft on top. So you're going to sit on the chair and you want to be away from the table. So sit back on your table, move on your chair, or move the chair back, because you want to be able to lean comfortably with a long back. Like so. So first of all, we're going to feel. You're going to feel yourself sitting. So come and sit on your sitting bones. If you haven't watched my video about the sitting bones, you must watch that, because if you know all about your sitting bones, then you can sit in ways that is safe for your back, and of course. You look good because you maintain good posture. So come and sit on your chair and connect to your sitting bones and just feel how it is for you to sit upright. Notice your shoulders, your head sitting on top of your spine. Close your eyes to feel deeper. And then you're going to turn torso and head and just go as far as it is comfortable, and notice how far you can go. Go slowly. The slower you go, the more you can feel and sense. So you want to sense the movement in your spine, in the back, in your shoulders, maybe the ribs. Just notice the quality of the movement in your torso as you turn to the side. So you turn to the side, to one side a few times to feel that movement. See how far you can go, and then you compare to the other side. And going to the other side might be a different story. Just compare and notice what feels different. Maybe it's easier, maybe it's not. Just notice the differences. Where do you feel the differences? Do you feel the difference in your ribs, in your back, in your neck? Okay, and then let go, and then turn the head only, chin parallel to the floor, and you go to one side a couple of times. Sense that movement in your neck. See how far you can go comfortably, and then compare to the other side. And again, the other side might be a different story. Okay, and then let go. Then bring your hands one top of the other and rest your forehead on your hands. And from here, just lift the head and the chest and look up and see how the movement feels in your back. Notice how far you can go comfortably. You might feel it in your ribs, in your neck. Just notice how it feels. Okay, and then let go. Separate your hands. The hands now are side by side. The elbows are to the side, and you're going to look to your left elbow. You can start with the right. It doesn't really matter. We do both, okay? But I'll start with the left. So look at your left elbow. Rest the cheek down, and see how it feels for you to be here. How does it feel in your neck, in your shoulders, And then slowly turn to the other side and compare how it feels on the other side. Okay, and then let go. So now look to the left again. And what you're going to do, you're going to glide your head back and forth. So you're going to bring your nose, keep the head low, touching the table. Move your nose towards your elbow as far as it goes comfortably, and then move the nose away from the elbow so that the back of the head comes towards the other elbow, to the left elbow. And you go back and forth. So you're gliding back and forth. Allow the whole of the torso to participate. Your shoulders are moving, your ribs are moving. You may feel some movement in the pelvis as well. Allow that to happen. And keep your jaw relaxed. Bring a gentle smile to your lips so that that helps to relax your facial muscles. You want to have a space between the top and the bottom jaw so that the teeth are not touching. And you go from side to side slowly and gently, and you're gonna feel it in your back. Just notice that. Stay with the feelings, stay with yourself. Go back and forth. Relax everything as much as you can, and you're just gliding back and forth. Touch the back of the head to your back arm. Touch your face to the front arm, if you can, and you go back and forth. And you do this for a good minute or so, or for as long as it is comfortable for you. Maybe 1 minute is too much. Listen to your body and respect that. Okay, and then you turn to the other side and you repeat the movement. If you need a break, please take a break. And you take a break by sitting up again. Breathe in and out. Same thing, but now you look into your right elbow. Not as if things feel different on this side. Breathe in and out. Keep the breath flowing. The last thing you want to do is to hold your breath. Breathe in and out. Glide back and forth. Your ribs are moving, your chest is moving, your shoulders are moving. Okay, and then take a break. Come up. Take a break and feel yourself here. And you rest for as long as you need. Okay. Okay, from here, I'm gonna go down again on the table, and this time we're going to move the chin. So you bring the chin towards the edge of your table, and then you're going to slide forwards towards your fingers and back again. Okay, but you're going to do that in a circle. So then you're going to move your chin towards your thumb and back again. So bring the chin as close to your chest as you can and away as your chest as you can. But you do that all around, okay? So the chin comes towards the wrists and then back, and then towards your lower arm and back, and then towards your elbow and back, and then towards your upper arm, and so on. See how far you can turn the head towards your shoulder. Okay, and then you go back, same way you came, and you go to the other side, back and forth, slowly and gently. Breathe in and out. So you're guiding the movement with your chin, or the chin is leading the movement. And explore all angles as you go around. Breathe in and out. Allow the shoulders to move, allow the ribs to move. Everything is moving in the upper body. Your pelvis is moving too. Breathe in and out. And again, you do this for a good minute or for as long as it is comfortable for you. Listen to your body. Your jaw is relaxed. You have a gentle smile in the lips to help you to relax your facial muscles. Okay, and then let go. Come up and rest. Okay, now we're going to come onto the table again, and this time you're going to you're going to look to your left elbow again. You're going to take you're going to lift, take your chin up and take your chin as far as it goes up. Okay, then you come down, you turn to the other side and you do the same thing. You look into the side, you take the chin as far as it goes up. Okay, and then you just go from side to side. Allow the shoulders to move. The shoulders come towards the table as you move from side to side. You can, if that movement is not happening organically, you can make a little bit of an effort to move the shoulders towards the table as you go from side to side. So turn the head when you lower towards the table and then lift it up. You lower towards the table, you go to the other side and you lift, and you go from side to side. The whole of the torso is participating in this movement, and your pelvis as well. Breathe in and out, and then now and then you can stay on the side and you're going to nod. Keep looking to the side, you're going to nod up and down. See how far the chin can go towards the chest, how far it can go away from the chest, and then you can turn the head as well as you keep yourself on the side. Okay, so you do this very gently. Be very mindful of your neck and how your neck is feeling today. And then you're going to go to the other side and you do the same on the other side. If you come across pain is not good, but stopping moving is not the solution. And it's not good either. So what you have to do is to move in ways that does not trigger the pain. So you need to explore the movement and see how you can move without triggering the pain. And you go from side to side. But there is a difference between pain and discomfort. Discomfort is okay. Discomfort is probably tension and stiffness, and you carry on with that until it goes away. But you don't want to be in pain. Okay, and you just explore this movement here, and you go from side to side. Nod, turn the head, and you go from side to side. Breathe in and out. Okay, and then again you do this for a minute or so, and then you come back to the center and relax. Take a moment to feel yourself here. Okay, now we're going to do something similar, but you're going to go around in a circle. So you're going to lift the chin, but then you're going while you are in the air, you lift, and you come to the other side, and then you go down. So you're making a circle with the chin in the air. Don't worry too much about doing it right. There's no right or wrong way of doing this. You explore in the movement, okay? So do what feels right. Breathe in and out. So you make the circle one way. Allow the whole of the torso to participate in the movement. The ribs are moving, the hips are moving. And then you go the other way around. Breathe in and out. Okay, and then you can take a rest. Upright. Close your eyes to feel yourself. Okay, then you're going to look towards your belly and look up. There's movement in the pelvis. Allow that movement to happen in the pelvis. You look up as far as you can comfortably, and then you look down towards your belly, around the spine. So you round as you look towards your belly, and you extend as you look up, and you go up and down. Okay, and then take a rest. And then what I want you to do is to repeat some of the movements that we did so far. Okay, so you can go back to this one, gliding back and forwards. Look into one elbow, and then you look to the other elbow. So repeat all these movements once again. Notice if anything feels different. Okay, remember you did the chin as well. Going up and down. Okay, so you repeat these movements, and then you can repeat this movement from side to side. Okay, so you repeat this for another few minutes. And that's it. This is part 1. There's more interesting movements in part 2. Things like we're gonna do things like movements like this that feels very good. Like this, we're gonna draw with the elbow in the table and in the air. We're gonna do things like this as well. That feels good in the back. So this is for part 2. And I'll leave the link below for you if you want the whole of this exercise. And if you want a complete program to address things like repetitive strain injury, then please have a look at the link that I'll leave below. Now, after you did all these movements and repeated a few more for a few minutes, then come back to your sitting bones, feel your uprightness, and just notice what feels different. Do you feel that you're more upright? That is easier to sit, maybe. Then come down, just like you did before, at the very beginning. Just bring your head onto your forehead and just lift. Is it different? Okay, and then turn and notice what feels different. And then turn only the head, notice what feels different. Alright, and that's it. Thank you very much for doing this exercise. Please do it all over again another day to keep that mobility in the torso going and to get rid of repetitive strain injuries. If you liked this exercise, this video, give me the thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Stay strong, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye now.